Hello friends, how are you? I hope you understand the previous lecture. Now the problem based on that points which are already discussed in previous lecture. So problem is draw one cycle for an alternating quantity represented by V is equal to 200 sine 120 pi t on a graph and mention peak value, time period on the graph. Also find RMS value, average value, form factor and peak factor. So let's start to solve it. We know the general expression for sinusoidal waveform, that is, if it is voltage waveform then V is equal to Vm sin omega t. And if it is current waveform, then equation becomes I is equal to Im sin omega t. Now just compare this general equation with a given equation. So find Vm is equal to 200. So Vm is peak value of voltage waveform. So first point, peak value is equal to 200 volt. Now next point is time period on a graph. Time period. So time period means, definition of time period means time taken to complete one cycle. Before that we discussed the relation between time period and frequency, that f is equal to 1 upon t, means t is equal to inversely proportional to frequency. Here omega is given. We know the omega is equal to 2 pi f. So we can easily find out this frequency. Omega is 120 pi. 120 pi is equal to 2 pi f. Hence f is equal to 120 divided by 2 pi. 120 pi divided by 2 pi. Pi get cancelled. 120 divided by 2, that is 60, and its unit is hertz. Unit of frequency is hertz. But we have to calculate time period. So time period t is equal to 1 upon f. 1 upon 60 is equal to 0.016, means 16 millisecond is the time period. Now we have to mention time period and peak value on graph for one cycle. One cycle means it consists one positive and one negative part. This is one cycle. So peak value, at this point we get peak value, means maximum value. So peak value is 200 volt, mention 200 volt on y-axis. Next, time period. So time taken to complete one cycle. This part is time period, that is equal to 16 millisecond. Now find RMS, average, form factor and peak factor. RMS value is equal to 0.707 times of peak value Vm. 0.707, Vm is 200, that is equal to 141.4. Next is average value. Formula for average value is 0.637 into Vm. 0.637 into 200. Calculate the answer, and answer is 127.4. Next is form factor. So form factor is the ratio of RMS to average. Form factor RMS value upon average value. RMS value 141.4 divided by 127.4 is equal to 1.109, means nearly equal to 1.11. And last is peak factor. So peak factor is equal to peak value upon RMS value. Peak value 200 and RMS value 141.4, that is equal to 1.41. 1.41. Next problem is find frequency and amplitude of the following waveform. Waveform is given into the picture. This is sine waveform, and here some instantaneous values are given 25, 50, 75, 100, and here time is given, so 20 millisecond, and we have to find frequency and amplitude. Amplitude means maximum value of AC quantity. So from waveform, maximum value is which? 25, 50, 75, 100. 100 is the maximum value. So amplitude is equal to 100 volt. Next, frequency. We know the formula for frequency if time period is given. So time period is 20 millisecond and frequency is inversely proportional to time period. So 1 upon t is 20 millisecond. 20 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is equal to 50, and unit of frequency is hertz.